The average American carries $96,000 in debt, but with the right system, most people can be debt-free in 3 to 5 years. Here's the roadmap. List every debt: balance, interest rate, minimum payment. Build a $1,000 emergency fund first. Stops you from adding new debt. Cut expenses to find $200 to $500 per month extra for debt payoff. Use debt avalanche, highest interest first, for maximum savings. Apply every extra dollar to one debt, while minimums on all others. Each paid-off debt frees up cash for the next. The snowball momentum. Use income increases, raise, side hustle growth to accelerate. Don't add any new consumer debt, not even 0% APR deals. Build emergency fund to 3 months after largest debts are gone. $800 to $1,500 per month in debt payments becomes yours to keep. Net worth climbs rapidly when nothing is working against you. Financial stress drops, health, relationships, and focus all improve. Get my 3-year debt payoff planner at https://www.etsy.com/shop/emoflowco. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.